Geometry Unit 2B, Day 3, Angle Pairs Formed by a Transversal. Now, when we talk about transversals, corresponding angles, alternate interior, same side interior, what we mean always is that you have two lines and a third line intersecting them. So in our example here, line T is the transversal. We can describe a transversal as a line that intersects coplanar lines. We have to say coplanar so that everyone knows we are not talking about skew lines. Corresponding angles are two angles on the same side of the transversal that have the same relative position on the other lines. For example, angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. Alternate interior angles are on the opposite side of the transversal but between the other two lines. So if we have, and I'm just copying the diagram they've already given us, if we have line T, line S, line R, between the other two lines but on opposite sides of the transversal, T is our transversal. Between the other two lines, that would be here and here, on opposite sides of the transversal, 4 and 5 would be alternate interior angles. Angles 4 and 5 are alternate interior angles. Alternate, opposite sides, interior, between the lines. Alternate exterior angles are opposite sides of the transversal, alternate, opposite, outside of the two lines. So if we have our two lines here, alternate exterior angles, we might have, for example, angle 1 and angle 8. Not the only pair, but it is one pair. Outside of the two lines, angle 7 and angle 2 are alternate exterior angles. Same side interior angles would be same side of the transversal, that might be 3 and 5, between the two lines. Interior is between the two lines, angle 3 and angle 5 are same side interior angles. To review, A transversal is a line that intersects coplanar lines. Whenever we talk about transversals, we know we have at least 3 lines involved. Corresponding angles, 2 angles on the same side of the transversal that have the same relative position. If this is north, south, east, and west, then corresponding angles are both, for example, northeast or northwest or southwest or southeast. Alternate interior angles, opposite sides of the transversal but between the other 2 lines. Same side interior angles are on the same side of the transversal and between the 2 lines, while alternate interior angles are on opposite sides of the transversal but outside of the 2 lines.